So it's 2026, baby, and it's gonna be one hell of a year. And we're kicking it off with this company here. Let's pull it out. This is a CarPlay screen. When you open up the box, you've got this clean aesthetic. That is the factory screen the car comes with, and this is the one from Carpodgo. As you guys can see, obviously this screen is a lot wider than the original from obviously Mercedes, right? So when you first turn it on, this is what comes up. And I'm just going to go ahead and link this to my phone so we can start doing a few features. Just like that, I've gone ahead and obviously connected my phone to it. If we look, you can now see the features that I've got on my phone. This thing is touchscreen as well. It's got Google Maps, it's got Spotify, whatever apps are on your phone, right, you can use on this, which I think is pretty sick. And it's touchscreen as well. So I can go ahead and do things like, if we open up Spotify, it will show you guys what I've been listening to on Spotify recently, right? So I can go ahead and obviously click, my screen is nice and responsive. I've still got the screen cover on it because I'm not going to take the screen cover off just yet. On the left, you've got things like maps. So essentially what I could be doing is I could be listening to Friday on this right hand side on Spotify, and then on the left I can have my sat nav going. So cool. So let me turn it off me. Sugar, that is cool. So if I unpause it, it will unpause. If I pause it, the screen automatically pauses. So it's connected. That is connected to my car in terms of obviously my features on my steering wheel, which I think is really cool. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like the kit that you've seen in this video and you want to install that in your Polo, whatever it is, don't forget to use my discount code to get 50% off, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.